Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to record a Google Meet using your phone step by step. First of all, check recording option. First open the Google Meet and join or start a meeting. Tap the three dot menu in the bottom right. If you see the record meeting option, tap it to start recording. Not all accounts have this feature. It's usually for Google Workspace user. If you join the meeting, you will see the three dot option in the meeting and you will see the recording option and click that. Then step 2 is use built-in screen recorder. If you don't see the record option, don't worry, use your phone built-in screen recorder. On Android, swipe down from the top and tap the screen record. You will see the screen record option in your Android phone. Here, as you can see, screen record. You can turn on the record from here, media or media and mic. Use anything you like. Then another option on iPhone, you can swipe down from the top right and tap the recording icon. Then join your Google Meet and your screen plus audio will be recording. After that, save and share. When you stop recording, your files will automatically save. On Android, check your gallery or photos app. You can check the gallery or photos app. On the iPhone, it's saved to photos app. From there, you can share it or upload to the Google Drive, and that's it. Now you know 2 easy ways to record Google Meet on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.